They're frontline hourly employees grabbing an iPad and driving results.
We got a 31% improvement in productivity, as well as a 63% reduction in downtime.
I think one of the biggest impacts that we had with Redzone as a beverage company was achieving our GFSI certification. We're 100% paperless.
Redzone enabled us to actually improve our productivity from 4,000 cases per day to 6,000 cases per day, a 50% productivity increase.
Here at Trinchero, with our bottling lines, we've had a 22% uplift.
And we increased our throughput by 6,000 units a week.
When I first got Redzone, I was amazed, as I had been in manufacturing for many years, and I had never seen something with the dynamics it brought to the floor.
Hey, we have sensors out on the floor, and it's real time, so we're getting data as it's happening. As the machines are running, we can see what's going on.
When operators have downtime events in it, the Redzone is prompting them. It's very easy for the operators to go in and make a selection to the issue that caused the downtime event.
It's not a system that just records. It's a system that aids the teams in improving their performance, hour by hour, day by day.
We're starting to empower people. I see a little bit more pride in what they're doing out there.
Part of our culture is continuous improvement. I'd say we're not just a maintenance team, we're an improvement team as well. And so with Redzone, that kind of points us in the direction of where we need to head.
We can more effectively define waste and, as a team, approach the best way to fix that waste.
The Redzone gives us a platform to set the actions in place and then drive performance.
And people are willing to share information now because they know that something's being done with it.
Actually, there's some TVs out there so they can walk by and they can see how the lines ran for the day. It's kind of like a little map of where they need to go.
So from a productivity point of view, it's a real advantage.
And really, one of the biggest things that I've seen with Redzone is the walls they've knocked down. The way they communicate with each other.
Redzone has really upped our communication.
And that's when we started seeing those reductions in downtime and that cross-team communication in actual building.
Now they have a voice. They feel like they have a voice to communicate.
And so without having a form of communication prior to Redzone, using the chat function, they'll be able to put in messages to send to their entire team.
Now that we have active input from the operators, we can actually eliminate multiple steps in the troubleshooting process.
Now they see that the supervisor, the manager, the maintenance manager, paying attention to their concerns.
The people that we thought wouldn't adapt to it or wouldn't adopt that platform, they took it and ran with it.
Compliance, everybody was thinking of was more of a quality tool and that the quality department was going to be rolling it out. Well, the fact is everybody's checking compliance on products, not just the quality department.
And that is actually allowing us on the journey to get to quality assurance rather than quality control.
And the supervisor or the lead doesn't have to go through the stacks and stacks and stacks of papers.
They used to have to do the paper checks. They have to coordinate their time, constantly trying to figure out where things are and what needs to be done with the compliance module. Now they just have it in one place.
As a beverage company, we haven't had the opportunity to utilize methodologies like Kaizen events. This was brand new to our organization, and it really opened our eyes on larger processes that we saw as problems.
So many elements of problem solving across the company and teamwork that you're seeing that, is just a side effect from the 3-year journey we've been on.
Now, everybody leaves every shift learning something, operators and mechanics included. And that's all thanks to Redzone.
This team wants to win, and they use Redzone to win every single day.